This is a standard V-mount battery, not 26 volts or 28 volts battery. It cannot power the RAY 120C at full power 100% brightness. As you can see, the brightness only maxes out at 60%. This is a standard V-mount battery. No, this won't work. We cannot accept that it can't run at 100% brightness. Let's test this dedicated battery adapter to see if it works. It works perfectly at 100% brightness without any issues. It maintains 100% brightness no matter how it is adjusted or used.